Welcome to MarineMax. Here we're going to go through this brand new 2026 Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS. So you got the dark gray hull here with the black hardtop, gray sea deck, black Mercury 400 V10 Verados, the dolphin gray interior. This is like a very supple, soft, ultra leather, very nice from Cruisers Yachts. Storage and aft lounge on the back. This one has been outfitted with your freshwater flush, so very convenient. You just put your adapter in there and automatically flushes your engines. You get your summer kitchen here with grill, freshwater sink, storage, and fridge. Lots of storage space under here. This would be where your stern drives would go, but without that, there is a massive amount of space. Storage space throughout, so you can see very large in here. So these two are two tables, two high gloss teak tables that'll go in your cockpit. This backrest folds down and forward. And up here at your helm, double wide helm seat, large bolster to get you up above the windshield, armrests. This boat has your Lenco trim tabs with indicators, Mercury binnacle, active trim feature, joystick piloting for outboard with your autopilot and skyhook. Very nice dash here from Cruisers Yachts. Love this helm wheel. Twin Simrad displays, Rockford Fosgate stereo head unit. And over to the co-captain's chair. This one will fold back and forth, so when you're facing forward, they have a beautiful, nice view and seating area. And then when the action is more in the cockpit here, you fold that forward and you get a nice opposing seating area. The 34 GLS does come with a cabin. So as you step down, so great seating area here. You put the AC on, put the kids down here. You can also pull out this table, and then underneath, right here, this pad fills in this area so you can turn it into a sleeper. You got a microwave, full stand-up head here with shower, so wet head. A very nice whole window there. And you have a single berth midship. And then lastly, we'll head up into the bow. So one thing I love that this style of boat does, it's a port side walkthrough. So what that gives you is so much more space and really headroom going down into the center to access the full amount of keel for this boat. So love walking up through the bow here. No steps, single level. That's where everyone loves to be up here. The triple wide seats up front, armrests, drink holders, grab handles, twin Rockford Fosgate, stereo speakers with remote, and then you have another table that can pop in there, storage all around, and then lastly, anchor windlass for ease of getting up out of that anchor spot during the day. If you'd like to know more about this boat, please give us a call here at MarineMax Kent Island, 410-732-1260.